Hey guys, I'm Yogesh and welcome to my channel Hello Sahitya. Friends, today I'm going to deal with the MCQs of pre-romantic and romantic age. So let us start. The first question is Essay of Elia was published in. The answer is 1823. The question number 2. Charles Lamb used to write under the pen name of. Answer is Elia. Question number 3. Lamb's essays are deeply. Answer is personal and autobiographical. Question number 4. Charles Lamb's Dream Children is notable for its. Answer is whimsical pathos. Question number 5. Who is Field? Answer is Lamb's grandmother. Question number 6. Mrs. Field was a good blank in her youth. Answer is the dancer. Question number 7. Why the essay is entitled Dream Children? Answer is Lamb never married. Question number 8. Whom does Lamb refer to as faithful Bridget? Answer is his sister. Question number 9. In my relation, Lamb introduces us to his. Answer is aunt. Question number 10. What is the speaker reflecting in the poem Tinton Abbey? Answer is his past. Question number 11. What is the writing style of the poem Tinton Abbey? Answer is B. Blank verse. Question number 12. What is the overall theme of Tinton Abbey? Answer is memory and the past. Question number 13. What does the speaker imagine is responsible for the smoke rising above the trees from the poem Tinton Abbey? Answer is a hermit. Question number 14. What is the name of the river mentioned in the poem Tinton Abbey? Answer is the River Wye. Question number 15. How long has it been since last time in the speaker toured to the river in the poem Tinton Abbey? The answer is 5 years. Question number 16. What specific month is named multiple times throughout the poem Intimation of Immortality for recollection of early childhood? Answer is May. Question number 17. How many stanzas are in the poem Intimation of Immortality from Recollection of Early Childhood? Answer is 11. Question number 18. In Coleridge's poem The Rime of Ancient Mariner, where were the three gallants going? Answer is a wedding. Question number 19. How does the ship begin to move after the mariner wakes from the heavenly sleep? Answer is mysteriously. Question number 20. What falls into the sea like lead? Answer is the dead albatross. Question number 21. What does the mariner hear after walking from the heavenly sleep? Answer is a roaring wind. Question number 22. The mariner prays to God that if he is not awake, then let him be. Answer is B. Permanently asleep. Question number 23. What happens to the mariner when he tells the hermits his story? Answer is he is relieved of his agony. Question number 24. At what age John Keats was died? Answer is 26. Question number 25. Autumn start after the departure of the which season? Answer is summer. Question number 26. Blank was a great lover of nature. Answer is John Keats. Question number 27. Ode to Autumn contains. Answer is 3 stanzas. Question number 28. Ode to Autumn is a poem of. Answer is B. Nature. Question number 29. Keats is a. Answer is a. Keats is a blank poet. Answer is a romantic poet. Question number 30. What does the speaker refer to the urn into the poem Ode on a Grecian Urn? Answer is an unravished pride of quietness. Question number 31. What does citadel mean in the context of the poem Ode on a Grecian Urn? Answer is A. Fortress occupied by soldiers. Question number 32. The overall tone of the poem Ode on a Grecian Urn can be described as Answer is C. Monpole. Question number 33. The urn recites beauty is truth, truth beauty too. Answer is the speaker and all other human that it made. Question number 34. Ode to the West Wind was written in. Answer is 1819. Remember, it was published in 1820. Sally imagines the west wind as a. Answer is magician. Question number 36. The west wind is both destroyer and. Answer is preserver. Question number 37. What is wind carries like a chariot some to different parts of the region? Answer is seeds. Question number 38. Sally calls the west wind as a. Answer is A. Wild spirit. Question number 39. The west wind in its hall sings blank song of the year. Answer is the funeral. Question number 14. The poet asks the west wind to make him. Its answer is Lear. Question number 41. The poem Ode to the West Wind ends with poet's answer is A. Optimistic note. Question number 42. In the poem Ode to the West Wind, what does the word dirge means? Answer is a song sung for a dead person. Question number 43. In his poem To a Skylark, Shelley viewed the skylark as a. Answer is A. Spirit. Question number 44. What is the speaker's request to the skylark in the last stanza? Answer is C. To continue its song for a very long time. Question number 45. Who is hidden away in a tower in the poem To a Skylark? Answer is a maiden. Question number 46. Who hails Ivanhoe after the tournament? Answer is Rebecca. Question number 47. Why does Cedric disinherit Ivanhoe? Answer is for following Richard to the Crusades. Question number 48. In what disguise does Ivanhoe return to England? Answer is a religious pilgrim. Question number 49. What characteristic does Rebecca have to an extraordinary degree? Answer is self-control. Question number 15. Whom does Ivanhoe marry at the end of the novel? Answer is Rowena. Thank you so much.